In 2025, something unprecedented is happening across America. A home, once the cornerstone of the American dream, is slipping out of reach. Not because families stopped working hard, but because the system quietly changed around them. According to Harvard's 2025 housing report, the median home price has climbed to $412,500, while wages barely budged. This is no longer just about rising prices. It's about corporations becoming landlords, algorithms outbidding families, and renters pushed to the breaking point. Tonight, we expose how housing in America became a trap, and who's profiting in the shadows. The new price of being American. The average home now costs over 5 times the median American income, a chasm documented by Harvard University's 2025 analysis. Monthly mortgage payments paint an even bleaker picture. First-time buyers now face payments averaging $2,570 per month, nearly double what they were just 5 years ago. Interest rates may dip to 6% in 2025, Reuters predicts, but when prices have inflated this far, even lower rates can't restore affordability. This isn't a market boom. This is the systematic redefinition of who gets to call America home. Renters on the edge of collapse. If buying is impossible, renting offers no sanctuary. U.S. Census data reveals nearly half of all renters are cost-burdened, spending over 30% of income just to keep a roof overhead. More alarming, over 12 million renters surrender more than half their income to rent alone. According to the Federal Reserve's latest survey, 1 in 5 renters fell behind on payments last year. These aren't failures of character. These are impossible economic conditions. For millions, renting isn't a choice, it's the last barrier before homelessness. Investors, the new American homeowners. While families struggle, a different force rises investors. Associated Press data shows that by early 2025, investors purchased 27% of all single-family homes sold nationwide. But here's the twist. Most investor-owned homes now belong to small landlords with 1 to 5 properties, collectively reshaping entire neighborhoods. Meanwhile, large institutional buyers, once feared as market dominators, are now quietly selling more than they acquire. Homes are no longer primarily for living. They're assets, traded, rented, flipped, optimized like stocks. Families with children now compete with spreadsheets and profit margins. Hidden costs, the silent squeeze. Even those who manage to buy discover a brutal truth: ownership means fighting rising costs from every angle. Harvard's analysis shows home insurance premiums surged 57% nationwide between 2019 and 2024, with some states seeing triple-digit increases from climate disasters. Simultaneously, property tax collections jumped over 12%, draining homeowners' budgets month after month. The Federal Reserve notes down payments have inflated so severely that middle-class families struggle to save the upfront cash, making homeownership a luxury requiring generational wealth transfers. It's not one barrier. It's a fortress designed to keep people out. Algorithms, the digital landlords. Perhaps the most shocking transformation comes from algorithmic buyers. A 2025 research paper reveals AI-driven investors, powered by predictive algorithms, are dominating markets where human buyers hesitate. These algorithms process thousands of data points per second: school ratings, income demographics, migration patterns, crime statistics, even sidewalk conditions. They don't sleep. They don't negotiate. They don't feel pressure. And they almost never lose. Research suggests these digital landlords may reduce certain pricing biases, but the core impact remains unchanged. Machines are buying homes faster than humans can dream of them. Who can still buy? Harvard's 2025 study shows homeownership has dropped to 65.6%, with the steepest decline among Americans under 35. Today's first-time buyer must earn approximately $126,700 annually just to afford the median mortgage payment. Most Americans don't earn that. Not even close. For the next generation, owning a home may no longer be the expectation, but the exception. The trap and the escape. Housing in America has become a system of wealth extraction, not wealth building. But awareness is power. With data, policy action, community organizing, and transparency, this trap can be dismantled. The question is no longer, can Americans afford homes? It's, will America remain a place where homes are meant for families, or for investors? This documentary is our first step toward answering that question.